What's going on, guys? Damn it, did I stop it? No, damn it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Just Talk Speed channel. Today we got in our 10 to 12 coilover conversion with buckets, everything, whole 9 yards, traction bars, 4-link, from PMF Suspension, one of the sponsors on the YouTube channel. Top quality suspension, which you're gonna see in this video. We already got it loaded up. I didn't get any videos of like unboxing it and stuff. So we've got everything in the bed of the truck except for the brake lines. Obviously they don't get powder coated, but anything that gets powder coated at all is in the bed of the truck and is loaded up, and we are on the way to drop this stuff off at Sandblast. We literally just got this, unboxed it, and we're trying to get there before they close. We also all have splatterball guns now, so it's a war zone all the time. So anyway, look at all this. So we've got everything. So we've got the 4-link long arm with the fabricated arms, fabricated traction bars, diff covers, 6-inch leaf springs, billet clamps on everything, HD buckets. So right here's the HD buckets. It's kind of hard to see. I was gonna get a video of everything laid out and go over everything with you raw, but it looks like we'll be doing that with everything powder coated whenever we get everything back from powder coat. But just look at the welds on this. So the welds are absolutely flawless everywhere. We've got the replacement radius arm brackets. We've got the long arm brackets, literally everything. Dual steering stabilizer, King coilovers. We will show you those in this video as well. But I'm gonna drop this off at Sandblast, and this is the intro to getting my lift kit back from Sandblast pretty much, and getting the lift kit in. So I don't know if you'll get to see it powder coated in this lift kit or not, or in this lift kit. So I don't know if you'll get to see the lift kit powdered in this video or if it'll be a different video. Not really sure what this video holds. We're just gonna do some truck updates in it. So we got the lift kit in. I'll be showing you the King coilovers and the King shocks and everything whenever we get back. And then we're gonna go over some build plans and stuff that we still have to do and get your all's opinion on a couple of things. So stay tuned to the video, enjoy, and I'll talk to y'all here in just a second. Peace. Somebody's getting their whole frame and everything sandblasted. Got all the parts right here. Now me and Devin have to unload them. We're absolutely not looking forward to that. So we're gonna unload all this stuff. I forgot my tripod, so I can't set up and do a time lapse, but I'll talk to you after I drop this stuff off. Man, that is so cool how they done that whole frame. I wish you could just like throw that thing in the oven, just exactly like that. Just spray it all and powder coat on. Here we go, boys. Got this. Everything is here. There's 60 pieces total. And he's gonna work on this whenever he gets time. So hopefully he gets the powder coat soon. What do you think about it, Devin?
I get drug into all this shit.
Yeah, but he just now finished up spraying this frame. I guess it's finished. And it looks really, really good. I appreciate that. And I got the diff covers too. They look really, really good. Can't wait to see those. Brad's gonna powder coat them and then wipe off those eagles and leave them silver before he clear coats over it, I think.
That's right, yeah, I'll say
that'd be pretty cool.
Detail and stuff, yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so what I was just now doing, we're back from Sandblast by the way, this is a couple days later. I wanted to go ahead and give a huge shout out to JP Fab. So they're hooking up with the frame face plates. So these face plates are going to go in the frame. So what I was just now doing, I also done the like the older rear shock modification for like the older Super Duties, where both of the shocks are going to be going the same way. So I had to, what you just now watched me do was cut off the old shock bracket, and then I have to mount a new one back here. So I have to drill a few holes, but there's a bevel in the frame right here, so that shouldn't get in the way of what we're going to be doing here. But I wanted to go ahead and get those rivets. There was rivets on the outside, so you just cut an X in them, then drive them off with an air chisel. But huge shout out to JP Fab, like I was saying. We've got faceplates in the front on the frame, and we've got the faceplates on the rear as well. So just to give you an idea, I still got to drill the holes, but kind of an idea of how these are going to look is something like that. So it's going to look really, really clean. The back side, the solid plate, is going to be our powder coat color to match everything underneath. And then this top plate, I'm actually going to sand it down, prep it, and primer, base coat, and clear coat. And it's going to be paint matched the same color as the truck, which is a charcoal beige metallic. So all throughout the suspension, there's going to be random little painted pieces. So it's going to be kind of two-tone, but mainly the glowing yellow color. So of course the frame will be completely sanded down and repainted and re-bedlinered before I put these on. So you're never going to see like those little nicks and marks or whatever, because all of that will of course be prepped after I take the bed off. So I still got to take the bed off. Hopefully going to be doing that this next weekend. So that's kind of the plan. Painting taillights and everything this week, getting orders out, and I had to get these fitted and get all the holes drilled because they came with no holes in them. So then you can just kind of bolt the holes like wherever you want them to be. So I wanted to go ahead and get the holes drilled so I can get these off to sandblast and then go to powder coat. But again, huge shout out to JP Fab for that. We've also got to cut off this bracket up here in the front, which I'm going to do after this. Just kind of boring in the process videos of just cutting X and rivets and knocking stuff off. And that's pretty much all. So I'm going to keep on working on this stuff. The next video I should have some really good content. We got the lift dropped off at Sandblast. So the next video, it should be us actually picking up the lift kit from powder coat. I'm hoping there may be some videos in between there on like removing the bed or doing random stuff. But we should have a powder coated lift kit very soon. As you all seen, we got the lift kit in this video and got it dropped off at Sandblast. So with that being said, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.